is aloe vera, pomistine. The first core product that I've tried was aloe vera, pomistine, Arctic sea, absorbent C. Then slowly baru tambah propolis dengan bee honey. Okay, so 2017 remove, 2017 dah makan produk konsisten, and then 2018 Jun Yana Yana pregnant second baby. So of course kena monitor very well lah kan, sebab dah pregnant second baby, dah lah kita ada cancer kan. So jumpa doktor kata, oh surprisingly your cancer inactive. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so cancer inactive. So that time Yana tahu yang a part of a lot of products that I've tried, actually yang betul-betul Yana consistent was Forever Living.